Have you ever wondered what makes some programming languages more popular than others? Are you interested in programming but confused regarding which language to start with? Well, in this video, we're going to explore one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and we'll talk about the best programming language to start as a beginner. That is, Python. From its origins to its current uses, we'll explore the advantages, disadvantages, user-friendliness, and much more. So grab your popcorn and let's dive right in. History of Python. Python was created by GYAN G in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC programming language. Its name comes from the British comedy group Monty Python. Python was first released in 1991 and quickly gained popularity among developers due to its simplicity and ease of use. Advantages of Python. One of the main advantages of Python is its simplicity. Python code is easy to read, write, and understand, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Additionally, Python is a high-level language, which means that it abstracts away much of the complexity of lower-level languages. Python also has a large standard library, making it easy to find modules and functions to perform specific tasks. Disadvantages of Python. Python has some disadvantages too. One of the biggest disadvantages is its performance. Python is an interpreted language, which means that it is slower than compiled languages like C or C++. Additionally, Python code can be less efficient than code written in other languages. Another disadvantage is that Python can be less secure than other languages. Due to its dynamic nature, Python can be vulnerable to certain types of security attacks. If you are watching till now and want to change your life from zero to hero, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Do like this video and subscribe our channel, and let's grow together. We will provide you all free coding tutorials and materials you need to be a job-ready programmer. Let's move on to our next point. User-friendliness of Python. Python is known for being a user-friendly language. Its syntax is simple and easy to learn, making it a great language for beginners. Additionally, Python has a large community of developers who create libraries, frameworks, and tools to make programming in Python even easier. The language also has a significant number of online resources and tutorials available, making it easy to find help when you need it. We will provide you all free coding tutorials and materials you need to be a job-ready programmer. Uses of Python in the current world. Python is a versatile language that can be used in many different fields. In the tech world, Python is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Python's simple syntax and large standard library make it an excellent choice for creating scripts to automate tasks. Additionally, Python is widely used in the gaming industry for creating game engines and tools. So here you have the best language to start as a beginner. Python is a popular programming language that has many advantages, including its simplicity and ease of use. Python also has some disadvantages, including performance and security issues. However, its user-friendliness and versatility make it a great choice for many different applications. Python is widely used in the tech industry, gaming industry, and scientific research, and its popularity is only expected to grow in the future. So if you're interested in learning to code, Python is an excellent place to start. It's never too late to start, and with the resources available today, it's more accessible than ever before. So why not take the first step today? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more coding-related content. Thanks for watching.